Hi guys. I wanted to do a project share of this mini album that I made. Let me see. For my mom for Mother's Day, and I'm gonna wait to post it until I send it out. But I was just really excited. It turned out so cute. This is my first mini album I've ever made. I followed along with a tutorial from Carolina's Crafts, which I will link down below. And it just uses a cardstock base, no chipboard. So yeah, it's a little 4x4 size mini notebook, and I used the Woodland Grove collection to do all of the paper and embellishment stickers, except for these. These are just random gold alphas that I had from something else. Anyway, so that's what that looks like. And let's just start. I already have my pictures in here. So I did put little sticky notes on my son's face, and if there's any pictures of my niece in there, just so that we don't need their face on the internet, do we? Oh, whoops. Okay, so I just love how it turned out with the floral green and the pink and the gold. It looks so stinking cute. Okay, anyway. So this is the first page, and then all the journaling bits are still empty. Oops, sorry about that. Because I want to go back through and I'll add in like little notes and journals and everything. So, sorry, there's a pretty bad glare. Let me go like that. So this is the first page, and yeah, I just did a little photo, some of the gold stickers, the butterfly photo matting, and then I did use magnets. How exciting. Okay, so this, I might actually need to raise you up just a little bit. Okay, so this is the first page. This is a little pocket, which has a photo of us at the pumpkin patch. And then this is a little journaling card, which I'm gonna write a little note on. And this is actually from the Woodland Grove notepad kit. So I just cut that out and cut it so that it would fit in my little pocket. And then this was a picture of me and my mom and my son at the pumpkin patch when he was just a little guy. It says, "Life is better with you." And then over here, we have like a belly band. And then this is just a tag I made with some of the scraps that I had because I was trying to use them up. And my mom loves photography, so I really wanted to be able to use that camera sticker. And then I have another picture of us. Those are all my sisters and my mom on the left. And then the back is just the same paper. So that is that. I did a little tab. How cute. Okay, and then the next page is a like double, it's mirrored. So I've got the two pockets. This is a picture of me, my mom, and my sisters. And then on the back, I just was, again, trying to use up my scraps. And I put that little leopard or cheetah, I'm not sure. And then on this side, I have, that's me, my mom, my grandma. Obviously my son is there too. And then the back, yep. And then I just have a little, another card from the journaling or the note card pad that I cut down and I turned it into a little tag. And again, I was just trying to use up the scraps that I had. And I like the way that that like patchwork line design looks with all of those papers. Okay, and then you open the pockets. This is me and my mom, which sadly her face got cut off when it got printed, but I still love that picture of us. So this is me and my mom at my baby shower. And then this is one of the only stickers that's not from the Woodland Grove collection. This is actually from the Forever Fields cardstock stickers. Then I have a picture of me and my mom. I'm gonna do another like journaling portion right there. And then on this side, I have another little picture. And then this is one of my favorite pictures of my mom and my son. Obviously his face is covered, but they look like twins in this picture. It's just a little sticker that says, plant seeds of love and watch them grow, because she sure does love her babies and her grandbabies. So then this page has a little angle pocket, and I did a little tag. That's me and my mom. And then that was my mom when my son was born. She was there in the delivery room with me. I wish I had done a cute cardstock or a cute paper before I put the picture down, but I didn't think about that, so that's okay. And then this is another little journaling bit. I like cut it to size and then I rounded the corners, and it looks really cute. And then this is kind of plain. This is the only paper that is not actually from Woodland Grove, but I just needed something for right here and I didn't want to cut into a whole new sheet. So I did that. Love grows here. So stinking cute. And then this is when my mom and I graduated from college at the same time. I did Running Start. So I graduated when I was just turning 18, and then my mom went back and got her bachelor's or master's or something. Now I can't remember. And then in this pocket, I just have this picture of us, which I love. I think it's hilarious. And then the back is another one of the cards from the journaling, or the note card pad from Woodland Grove, and I kind of just turned it into a tag frame situation. Oh, and I did a little wide eyelet on there, which is cute. And then on this page, this is another, these stickers are also from the Forever Fields, but those are the only ones. Always in my heart. That's us at my baby shower again. And then in this tiny little pocket, I wanted to do something bigger, but I put the magnet right there, and I think just if I put something bigger, it wasn't magnet closing again. So it's just a really tiny picture of my mom and my son, and it says, I carry you in my heart, which is just so stinking cute. And then the back just says, you are so very loved. So that is my little mini album. I seriously love how it turned out. I'm so proud of it. I hope my mom loves it. I think she will, because she loves her pictures. Look how chunky it is. I just love it. So I am going to ship this out to my mom after I do the little journaling bits. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. I love watching other people do their project shares, so I thought I would do my own. And like I said, I'll link the tutorial I followed along. It was just for the base, obviously. And then I just did my own thing with the papers that I chose and the decorating and everything, but it was a very easy and simple to follow along with tutorial. So yeah, I definitely recommend that one. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope you guys have a great Mother's Day. I'm not sure if this will post before or after Mother's Day, just because I have to ship it from Texas to Nevada, and I'm not sure. Usually it doesn't take too long, but you never know these days. So you'll see it around Mother's Day, but I hope you have or had a lovely Mother's Day with your mom, and made her a fun little crafty creation as well, because isn't that just classic? Like, have we really changed it all from elementary school when we made our mom a project in school? The homemade gifts are always the best. I mean, maybe my mom would prefer a bought gift, but this is what she's getting, so. All right, bye.